How to add Oyster Card to Apple Wallet. First, you have to go to the App Store and search for an app called Pass to You. Just like that, you want to get the application that looks like this. Simply install it and just open it up. It's free. Now we want to click on the plus sign in the bottom right and then choose Apply a Pass Template. From here, we will use the search bar to search for Oyster. Alright, now once you have it, you want to find the card that looks like yours. Oyster Card here at the bottom, you can see it. We can edit different fields, so top ID, you will input yours by clicking on the pencil, bottom ID, and after you have filled out this information, we will just click on Done. Alright, now we just have to click on Add, and once you have filled out your information and added it into your Apple Wallet, you can see it right here. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.